Hello, this is Leetcode problem 167. To sum, input array is sorted. So the problem we have here, we have to add two numbers together to equal target. The numbers are going to be inside a numbers array. So the first stock we're given is 11, 2, 7, 11, 15. And the target that we have to add the two numbers to is going to be 9. So right off the bat, 2 plus 7 is 9. So those are the two numbers. And then the index we're going to have to return the indexes plus 1 because they are not 0 based. So it's going to be, the answer is going to be 1, 2, right here. The next sample solution we're giving is 2, 3, 4. We have to reach target 6. And as you can see, 4 plus 2, so it's going to be 4 and 2. So it's not a 0 based index, so we're going to be 1 and 3. And that's the answer right there. The next one is going to be the numbers given are -1 and 0. The target is -1. So you just put those two together, so it's going to be 1 and 2. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use a two-pointer solution with the first pointer going to be I, which is going to be the first one, and then j is going to be the numbers length minus 1. And if the sum is equal to target, we check that first. Then we return the index plus 1 of I and j. If the sum is greater than target, we have to remember that it is in ascending order, which means increasing order, such as 2, 7, 11, and 15. So then therefore all we have to do is decrement or decrease our bigger index. So it'll be from like 15 to 11. Now if the sum is less than target, we're going to increase or increment I. So I plus plus, and this is going to equal, so something like 2 to 7. So 2 to 7. And that should be our solution, and we're ready to start coding. So var I equals 0. Var j is equal to numbers dot length minus 1. Then we're going to, while I is less than j, this is a two-pointer solution, we're going to make a sum first. So numbers I plus numbers j. And then if sum is equal to target, we are going to return I plus 1, j plus 1. If sum is greater than target, we're going to decrement. If sum is less than target, we're going to increment the first one. There you go. And just as a final explanation, what we're doing here is, so remember that it starts at the highest index. So that's going to be, for instance, in this case, so 15 will become 11. And then we'll go ahead and increment this again well, I will add these two together again, so it'll be 2 plus 11. And then let's say, okay, it's going to be too big again because we're looking for 9. So then it's going to be 2 plus 7. Then finally, it'll go ahead and be sum equals target, and we'll return that index.